Let's get right to it. Someone asked me to talk about Snowflake, but to be honest, from a career perspective, there's not a lot to talk about. You either become a Snowflake admin or you become a Snowflake developer. A Snowflake dev is really just a SQL dev. All data warehouses speak SQL. Do you want to write SQL code all day? Then you become a dev. I don't find this a ton of fun. Do you want to become an administrator? Which is really just the same thing as a DBA, but with Snowflake. Then you become a Snowflake admin. The thing to understand, regardless of what direction you choose, is that there are no entry-level jobs in this role. You will not work with Snowflake at any serious company without having 2 to 5 years of SQL on your resume. I know several Snowflake admins, and every one of them came from a DBA role. Now, why would you want to become a Snowflake admin? Well, because it's a great niche in data engineering that pays really well and is far less competitive than machine learning. Now, less competitive doesn't mean easy. It means fewer people are preparing for the job because most don't have a clue what Snowflake is. How do you become a Snowflake admin or dev? You have 2 to 3 years of SQL on your resume in a data role, hopefully a DBA role, and you take the Snowflake certs. These certs are gold, and every employer I know of uses Snowflake certs to help weed out people for the interview process. All the companies I've worked for in the past that have Snowflake won't even interview without these certs. Now, I worked as a Snowflake admin several years ago. I was tasked with creating data pipelines for machine learning. The company used Snowflake as their central data repository, so I created all the pipelines to ingest the data from the different data sources into Snowflake. The only SQL code I authored were for the pipelines. You have a lot of options when it comes to a career working with data. However, none of them have an easy button attached to them. Companies aren't handing out $200K salaries for easy. I created LogicBot for 2 reasons. 1, to help people transition to a machine learning engineering role that are already in a data role, and in a data role I mean heavy SQL. Number 2, train those who aren't in an entry-level role as a data analyst. The data analyst is the only entry-level data role I know of. Companies are looking for skills. You either have them or you don't. You either understand what certifications are and their importance, or you don't. The truth is, you don't have that many options. Companies are looking for very specific skill sets, and without them, you're not going to be working in any data role. There is a recipe, and you must follow it if you want to work in any real-world data role. Then move to data engineering or machine learning engineering later on. LogicBot has that recipe. You need to follow it and learn the skills and gain the certs necessary. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great day. We'll see you soon.